Hi, this is my JCal Appointments API, which allows users to store appointments in certain locations at certain times, and then get events happening nearby to those appointments, and also directions from their current location to the appointment. So first we need to create an account, which we can do via a POST request, with a body containing username and password. So we'll call that as jwolf94 and the password. So that shows that that's been created. Now we need to create an appointment for that user, which is another POST request using the authorization that we've just created. So that header's in there now, and the body requires a name, a date, an address, town, city, and postcode. Name can be new appointment. The date can be the 15th of December at 8 AM. The address can be 58 Gosford Street, Coventry, CV1 5DZ. So that's created that appointment now with the ID. So if we use this ID, we can now get the events for that. Using the Eventbrite API. So that's returned a list of event objects. Now also, if we put in the latitude of Coventry University, and the longitude of Coventry University, and directions, it should get directions to Coventry University from 58 Gosford Street. So with our appointments ID, we can now update it using a put request. So as you can see, the appointment's now been updated. So if we now get that appointment again, it's got the new information that we've put in there. And finally, we can delete this appointment by sending a delete request. And as we can see, the appointment has now been deleted, showing a bad request. That is all. Thanks for watching. Hi, this is my... In continuation to my previous video showing you how my API is used, I'm going to show you a little bit of the code and run the coverage tests, which are all based upon my spec file, which is here. So, we do npm run coverage. Quite a few tests, so this might take a little while to actually complete running. As you can see, all of my tests have passed, and I've achieved near to 90% coverage on most things. That ranging across 49 tests with 314 assertions.